Hi, my name is Professor Julie Adamczyk, and welcome to Introduction to Aging. This class is about gerontology. Gerontology is the both medical and social aspects of aging. We're going to learn a lot about what aging in this country is all about, and we're also going to find out some information about what it's like in other countries and compare. The large number of the baby boomer generation in this country at this time is making this an important topic. For most of you, your parents or your grandparents are members of the baby boomer generation. We will learn what they're going through, and also we'll learn from things that they have accomplished what it will take for you to age successfully. The class is not difficult. However, it does require that you think about things and participate. I'm always here for you. I'm not on campus. However, I can always be reached by email, and if you like, we can either Skype or I can come into the campus and meet with you. The class consists of discussions, papers that you will write, and a weekly online quiz from the textbook. We're going through 16 chapters in 14 weeks, so it's very important that you stay on top of things. Good luck, and again, if you have any questions, I'm here for you.